EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for the weekend, February 4th and 5th, 2023. The weekend video forecast is proudly sponsored by Bosergeist Brewing Company. They are located at 1250 Simon Boulevard in Easton, Pennsylvania, very close to Lafayette College. They are purveyors of fine craft beer in the Lehigh Valley region of eastern Pennsylvania with a vast beer selection from IPAs to ales to stouts and sours. They also have a fantastic menu selection, live entertainment, open mic nights, and trivia nights, and are open 5 days a week between Wednesday and Sunday. They are Bosergeist Brewing Company in Easton, proud sponsors of the weekend video forecast. So a tale of 2 different days. This is not going to be a very long video today because I really don't have a whole lot to talk about. I want to touch on a few things, though. We have 2 different seasons, basically, this weekend. We're going to have another continuation of very cold temperatures again on Saturday, but this is cold as relative. It's not going to be like it was on Friday with all that wind. The wind is going to come down considerably today, so even though the air temperatures are 24 to 28 across the region, the spread in temperatures across the region, it's going to feel warmer just because it's not going to be as windy, not nearly as windy as it was on Friday. We had some wind chills on Friday evening that were in the negative single digits, negative teens in some places. We will not have that here on Saturday. Mostly sunny skies are expected on Saturday. Then once we get to Sunday, we're increasing those temperatures by at least 20 degrees across most areas. And here's a look at that. The highs here on Saturday, and this is at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And most of your warmth actually is going to be in our western areas. This is the areas that the warm air is advecting from. That's going to come in on Sunday. So it's going to come in from this direction. So it's normally a northwest to southeast spread in temperatures that I give you in these ranges. And that's typically the case 9 times out of 10. But this is one of those cases where the western areas are actually going to be the highest readings across the region as far as temperatures go. And just 24 hours later, everybody's solidly in the upper 40s to near 50 degrees. So it's a big turnaround. And that upper 40s and near 50 degree temperature spread is going to remain on Monday and Tuesday as well. And I think we're solidly in the 50s for most areas Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of this week. So it's going to continue to increase. And part of the reason for that is this trough is going to lift out, and you're going to go back to the milder temperatures Sunday. We do have partly to mostly cloudy skies here on Sunday, however, because we have a system off the southeastern U.S. coastline that's going to stay offshore, but it's going to be close enough to produce some clouds with it. So we'll have times of partly cloudy and then times of mostly cloudy here on Sunday. Not a total loss as far as the cloud conditions are concerned, but we are expecting no precipitation from this here on Sunday. Monday, we go back to partly to mostly sunny skies. Again, mid to upper 40s for highs. And then becoming mostly cloudy Tuesday because we have this front that's going to be coming at us later in the day. But this is going to fall apart, we think. The precipitation with it just kind of falls apart and this dissipates. So it should wash out. And just expecting an increase in clouds with that. And that's it. No precipitation with that either. Wednesday is going to be a partly cloudy day in between systems. And then we have this next one coming in. Which says an area low pressure is going to move along a boundary, cold front basically, and it's going to maybe enhance a little bit of this rainfall, and that's going to be during the day on Thursday. Could start as early as late Wednesday night, continue most of Thursday, and then wrap up Thursday evening as this pulls away, and then we're back to partly cloudy skies here in its wake on Friday with temperatures still in the 50s. We'll have to watch another system coming in for next weekend. We're going to cross that bridge when we get there. In the next daily forecast video, which I do on Monday. I don't want to speculate about this, but I will tell you that the depictions of snow that were shown on the GFS and some others are probably incorrect for this period. I think this is going to be another mild system, but we'll continue to monitor that next week and see what happens with that. That is a storm signal in our long-range outlook. I purposely wrote storm signal, not winter storm signal, because I really don't think this is going to be a big winter storm across most areas. So possibly you could start off maybe in the northern areas with a little bit of sleet, maybe some snow, but then it goes over to rain type things. But we'll get into those details next week as we have more information and we're a little bit closer. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for the weekend, February 4th and 5th, 2023. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.